You do from the chest up.
I'm Judith Smith. I'm here with Dr. Sandrea Jones at the end of the job. And we just want to talk a little bit about some of the add-ons and some of the things that we experienced while we were doing the job. We had some glitches. It's now March 21st. We shot a video on March 7th because the cabinetry was in, but the video was corrupt and couldn't be uploaded. And then we needed to show that the cabinetry was dead level. Dr. Jones wasn't available, so I shot the video myself before it was templated. So we first want to talk about what your opinion is of the quality of this cabinetry, because this is a new cabinetry source.
Yes, it is very good quality. Wood is thick, very good quality, and I love it.
Okay, this is 15 feet of cabinetry, uppers and lowers. 15 feet of cabinetry, solid wood, $3,100. And our installer installed this cabinetry, 15 feet, uppers and lowers, for $800. The cost of having the cabinetry source install it was $1,420. So we were able to save Dr. Jones some money doing it that way. And then we want to talk about what the cost of the floor was. We put this floor in for $1.50 a foot, and we put the stairs in for $50 a stair. We painted the basement for $1,000 labor plus the cost of the paint, and to have full transparency, our painter was new, and he used a sprayer on some of the doors that created a kind of a texture. So we're bringing in other painters to resolve that, to make it smooth and without texture. But the rest of the paint was, wall prep was excellent, straight lines, baked on finish on the beadboard, so on and so forth. And I'm also going to shoot a picture of the pendant lights upstairs that Dr. Jones had a finished ceiling in her kitchen and wanted some pendant lights installed. Our electrician said he would install 3 pendant lights for $200 and install them so carefully that there was not an iota of drywall repair. And I'll post a picture to that blog. And what else did we have that was extra? When Dr. Jones said she'd like some beadboard in the bathroom, we said no problem, we'll do it for free. Because we make more money doing things for a lesser amount of money on the ads than we would if we tried gouging the client. One of the experiences that I spoke about that had me wanting to do these videos was that I had renovated a house in Roswell that was very distressed. It was foreclosure. And I went through 17 different estimates of siding contractors to get the siding done. There was extensive rotted wood that was water damaged. 16 of the 17 contractors said, well, we have to remove the siding before we can tell you how much it's going to cost to replace that rotted wood. And being in this business 24 years, I knew not to go into an open-ended contract like that. I knew that that was going to be a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 bill. Siding Depot, who did my siding, said we're going to measure everything on the house and give you the number for replacing all the rotted wood, which they did, which was very reasonable, which they put in the original contract. So Dr. Jones, I just want you to share with people, have there been any upcharges or anything in addition to what was part of the original contract?
No, we have a booklet that has all the pricing that I went over with Judith at the beginning of our interaction and our contract, and the prices have been dead on, and then there are things that I purchased on my own as well, like the little decor, like faucets and things like that.
Right, and then we had a glitch with the vanity faucet in the bathroom. Dr. Jones selected her sink, provided her sink, and the homeowners select their faucets. And she went with a brushed nickel, and the sink came from online and had a 4-inch spread, and the faucet that she had here was an 8-inch spread. So when my plumber, who comes from Acworth to Conyers, which is like an hour and 45, 2 hours away, came and he said to me, the faucet won't work on this sink. Now, 95% of plumbers are going to say, oh, I've got to go, this is a trip charge, I'll put it on the schedule when I'm going to come back, and be all mad and carry on. My plumber went to Home Depot, got her the same exact faucet that she had in a 4-inch spread, put it on, and no problem. We are done with basic construction and the add-ons on this job, with the exception of the tile. So it is March 21st. We tried to film this yesterday, and we want to also talk about the granite. I've had the same people doing my granite since 2009. This 15-foot of granite was $55 a foot in Sequoia. And Dr. Jones, can you tell people what you think about the quality of the granite install and the seam?
Yes, very good quality granite that I was able to pick out through samples sent via email or text message, and the seam is almost invisible. It matches, it's almost a seamless countertop.
It is. They do an amazing job, and I've never had a problem with them. They've never had a single issue on one of my jobs since 2009. So what we want to communicate to people is that I've got over 20 years of videos on my website of people saying the price that I expected to pay on the first day of the job is exactly the price I paid, because we do our work on the front end to make sure there are no ads, so that you know exactly what you're getting into. And then when there are ads, they're done at a very reasonable price where we do not gouge the client. So Dr. Jones, are you satisfied now that we're at the end of the job? We want people to feel like they hired exactly the right person to do it.
Yes, and that's exactly it. I hired the right person to do the job. I reached out to several, some they never called back, some reached out months ago after I sent in my request, but Judith was spot on. I think she called me the same day that I sent out an inquiry. Deadlines were met, of course, a few hiccups, which are normal. They happen here and there, but all the contractors, everyone that's been in working, they've been coming on time, doing what they needed to do, and so it was a great process, the best process I've seen in a while, just working with contractors and this big of a job and having so many different players to come in and out, even having the lockbox on your door, so I have to be home for 8 hours for 6 to 8 weeks, so that's also a benefit, this convenience, not having to be home, and they just come in and out, do the work, and when you come home, you get to look at what's been done, and Judith meets with you, kind of go over what has been done, and also what the next step. So I enjoyed the process. I don't think I've had a headache besides a small hiccup with the painting and the spray paint, but besides that, it's been a great experience.
Yes, thank you, Dr. Jones.
You're welcome. And, so I